Hey, BJ here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how and why a business coach can earn well. What to charge, why coaches charge, what they charge, the structure, the systems, all that good stuff. Just so that, if you're taking a peek at our business coaching platform and resources, or if you are on our coaching team, especially if you're new on our coaching team, this definitely is a good conversation for you for sure. But if you are taking a peek, to our resources, tools. Maybe you have a scheduled call. If you don't, you're interested, you can do that too. We'll just give you all the resources and tools and help you understand how the entire system works and how it can work for you. Okay, but here's the thing. There is a why behind the reason that business coaches earn really good incomes, to be able to have, freedom, flexibility, to get time back and all that. Here's why, one of them. Okay. When you are working with a business owner, all right, one of the things that we have to do is that when you're going to help them, and in our case, one of the main things we focus on is helping them to improve their profitability. Why? Well, there's a saying that we have in our community that profit is the domino that knocks down all of the other dominoes. What does that mean? Well, when you think about the purpose and the reason as to why a business owner either bought the business, started the business, inherited the business, or whatever, one of the big whys is for them to be able to have freedom at some level. Again, flexibility, all those things. But what happens in most cases is they get so focused on operations, which we have to have a focus on operations, but many of them have such a focus on operations that they're not focused on growth. And then what happens? Well, when challenges come, then we don't know what to do, and there's not enough meat on the bone, that being money. Money is a tool, it's a resource on being able to actually solve the issues. This is the reason why 80 to 90% of businesses don't make it past year 5. All right, so just think about that. So as a coach and strategist, all right, so that is an area that you want to focus on, is strategy, like not just task and doing it, but strategy. So when you're working with a business owner and you're helping them to recognize what they haven't seen, or they're just blinded to it because they're in the weeds of the business, that's a skill set and a desire that when you do that, you're giving that business owner aha moments that they're just not getting anywhere else. Therefore, that's the reason why they're willing to pay a premium for that type of guidance, for that type of advisory work, for that type of path to get them to think at a higher level than what they're currently doing. Because many of them do want to do the work to grow. They don't really understand how to do that. And even if they kind of knew, well, I probably should focus on that strategy or this strategy or whatever, they're not really sure the order of how that should go exactly, and they're just guessing at it. And as they guess at it, they get it wrong. It gets frustrating, and they don't do it anymore. And then what do? They take their focus completely off of profitability. So when you show up with a system and you're going to work with them through a systematic process, that's the reason why you can garner a premium, because you have the tool deck, you have the resources necessary to do it. And when I say you have the resources, so when you're in a community like ours, and we provide a complete and total step-by-step guided process on significant profitability improvements, that is the reason why that you can garner a premium ask. Think about it like this. I can, clean my teeth, right? I can brush my teeth. But if I go to the dentist, they can do a far superior job of doing that. Why? They have the right tools. And not only do that, they don't have the right tools, or they do have the right tools rather, is that they understand the process of the tools, right? And in that process of conversation, they're also going to probably give me some other tidbits I should think about, especially as I get older, the ways to take care of my teeth, all those kinds of things, right? I can guess at it. I can Google around even sometimes here or there, but I can't really put it all together in the same way. But when I go see the specialist, things change. And there's a price for doing so, an investment we make. And business ownership and business growth is the exact same way. They recognize I can't do this on my own. I really don't know the steps. So again, when you show up with a system, that's different. That's the reason why we have an entire operating system, that when we show up with a business owner and start walking them through what's possible, things begin to change. All right. So that's the system is number one. Number two is the flow of the system, right? So once you got this operating system, you're able to install it, but if you don't install it correctly, not going to work. Like the car, right? If you have an engine, just because you have the engine, if you don't put it and install it in the vehicle in the proper order, engine's not going to work. Business growth is the same way. Should be a structured process, step by step. So you have a system and you have a flow, right? And so as you're installing the system and you're walking a business owner through the system in a step by step process, here's where it becomes emotional. Now remember, we talk about business growth, but the reality is there is a human behind the actual mechanics of installing the system to make it grow. Therefore, emotions are involved. And so when you're walking them through and you're asking not just good questions, even though that's important, but when you're asking the correct questions that shifts their paradigm of where they are to where they need to go, that's what we call the light bulb effect. And when they're getting these light bulb effects, and you're the agent involved in giving them the light bulb, that now the emotional connection is there. And now they're recognizing you as the advisor and the guide that you are, because now they're going, oh, I just didn't see it that way, or I didn't understand it that way. And when you have a number of those over time, man, that's where now they look at you as the expert that you are, and helping them to guide someone to a process. I use this analogy all the time. And if you listen to any of our podcasts, video trainings, even watch some emails, you may have seen this, but I use it constantly, because it's all about the coach and the strategist who has the playbook, and they understand how to utilize the playbook in a sequential manner to get a result. That is what a business owner, that's what they need. And that's why they're willing to pay a premium for that process. It's not just advice. As a matter of fact, your advice is really not that big of a deal. No offense to all of us, right? It's that, sure, I know how to do it, but it's not my advice. It's because I've installed a predefined operating system, right? That's a playbook. So moons ago, many of them, when my wife and I first got married, she got her teaching degree. And she's super skilled with, textbook smart, and understands how to teach. So still to this day, you can go across this room over here where the whiteboard's at and write down an algebraic equation and to put it into steps, so that at the very end, when there is an equation at the bottom, there is now a result. That result was, we got there through a formula. And that formula came out of a playbook called algebra. She didn't invent arithmetic. She didn't invent algebra. She learned how to understand the equation and understand how to break it down. That's what strategy does. That's what a strategist does in business, is that we take a predefined, already developed, created process. The last thing you need to do is just be random and go, you know what, a good idea. By the way, that's what I used to do. I thought that was a good idea. Marketing's kind of my thing. I enjoy it, and I would just kind of give random ideas here, but it was just kind of moving people all over the place. You want to walk through a predefined, guided process that's been proven, which is what our operating system does. And so our job is to teach our coaches how to properly install the operating system. And that's the reason why you can garner a premium for doing so. So you got systems, then you got the flow of the systems, how to install it. Then you're helping people to lead them to new thought. So for instance, in our assessment, hypervisual assessment, it is designed with the correct questions about a specific business strategy. Those questions are developed and written in such a manner to get the business owner and or their team to think. And I've seen it happen hundreds upon hundreds of times where a question gets asked and the business owner goes, huh, I've never really thought I need to wrestle with that. Right. That's when you're in that moment, that's thought leadership. So systems flow and thought leadership. And then when I keep using the word premium, you're probably wondering, what does premium mean? So here's the average. The average coach charges typically around $2,000 per month for one-on-one coaching. Now, like in our system, you're an independent coach, you're just using our resources and tools. You can charge what you want, but that is the average. We have a lot of coaches who charge north of $5,000 a month. We have a number of coaches who charge underneath $2,000. You may be asking, well, what would be the variable in that? Well, there's a few. One, if you're going to do some fractional type of work while you're installing the operating system. For instance, if we're getting into the marketing weeds and we're talking about developing a drip campaign, right? And so that the business is going to set up a communication plan to engage with prospects and their current customers. If you decided, if you're really gifted as a copywriter, for instance, and you decided that part of what you're going to do is to also write some of the emails for them, right? That would be fractional work. That would be you getting into the weeds with them and helping them to be able to do that actual work. Now, I've used the word fractional. That's also called consulting to some degree. The differences are coaching is I'm on the sidelines. I had the headset on. I'm calling in the plays. Consulting is I'm also getting on the field and doing some of the playing as well. That would be like writing the emails, right? Neither are wrong, although I would argue, coaching is the lane you want to stay in the most, simply because that's where you can really be skilled at showing them what needs to be done. So if they need to have a drip campaign developed, someone on their team, or they may hire a marketing firm to do some of those works, whatever. If you start to do it yourself, it just cuts into your time. But we have coaches who do it. Therefore, you certainly would pay more for sure. The other one part is called confidence, right? And so if you got a business that's doing $1 million in annual revenue, and they 50% margins, 10% net, right? They're doing $100,000 at the end of the day. If through installing the operating system, you're able to help them to earn, instead of 10%, 20%, well, certainly the confidence in doing that gives you the ability to charge $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 because the investment from that point is significant, because it's not just a one-time thing. If they're earning, 15 to 20% over 10, it's what they're going to earn over the next coming years more than what they would have had they stayed at 10. That's the reason why an ROI is really important to show of what you can do for them. So it is somewhat arbitrary. Sometimes it's people's their backgrounds. They're just higher in confidence. We see some coaches coming in who are already doing some type of business work, digital marketing, CPAs, accountants, and they want their fees to be able to stay attached to what they do. There's really not a wrong way to do it, but earning well is this. When you're between the $2,000 and the $5,000 per month per client, it's a math thing at that point. It's like, how many clients do you want to serve? 8, 10? When you combine that, however, here's where it gets fun. Efficiency, like offering group coaching, for instance, at a lower price point, having a downsell. So let's say you're charging, your $2,500 for one-on-one. That's your premium offer, and then but below that, maybe you have a $497 or a $797 offer for group coaching, where now people who don't want to pay your $2,500, once a week you're coaching 5 people, 10 people, but you're efficiently doing that together. Or like if you were to join our team, or if you're new to our team, you can utilize our done for you group coaching. Now you can charge that $397 or $497 monthly amount, and our team does the group coaching for you on your behalf, and you just can have a, once a month check-in, or email check-in or whatever. It's a great way to efficiently get started, but you see how it works. When you're doing one-on-one, you have group, we have other types of resources and ways that you can earn as well. That's a way to scale into the $250,000, $300,000, $350,000 a year type of thing. So there you go. Why? The premium part, like how you guide them. That's why you can do it. How? What you can charge. It just becomes a math equation at that point upon how many people you want to serve. Okay. So if you're thinking about growing your business coaching practice, if you're started, you're getting your engine running, there's certainly some decisions to make to be able to say, okay, what's the right fit for me? Because what works for one coach may not be directly the right fit for another for a number of different variables. On our team, we sit down with you one-on-one to have these conversations, just to kind of work through them to figure out what is the right fit for you. It is less about your advice. It really is about grabbing a system, helping a business owner to install the system. That's why you can earn well and charge a premium. Take care.